Welcome to the DIY candle tutorial. For this you'll need a small saucepan, a bowl, a candle jar, your oil, wick, wax, something to hold your wick, and a scoop or measuring cup. First you're going to want to use a kitchen scale and zero it out with your bowl on it, and then measure out 150 grams of soy wax. If you purchased a DIY kit, your soy wax bag already contains 150 grams. Next, fill your pot about a third of the way with water. Then place your bowl with the wax into the pan of water to create a double boiler and put it on the stove. For this, you're going to want to use a medium-low to low heat. We used between a 3 and a 4. And then you will use a spoon to just mix that wax around. It will clump at first and stick together, but then you will start to see the liquid clarify and clear up at the bottom. So as this process goes, you do not want to leave it by itself, just keep mixing with a spoon, and a plain tablespoon is fine for this. Finally, when your liquid is fully clear, you're ready for the next step. You're going to want to take a piece of adhesive or tape and place it on the bottom of your wick. If you don't have these candle stickers, a plain piece of tape will work as well. You just need a small amount. Then you're going to want to stick it as close to center into the bottom of your candle jar, and then add your funnel so you can pour in your wax safely. You may need tongs and a pot holder because the bowl will be very, very hot. And just carefully pour it into your candle jar using the funnel. This will ensure that you don't have any accidents or spills. Then you're going to want to add your oils. I recommend 20 to 30 drops, no more than. You do not want to overpower your candle. Once that's complete, you need to set your wick. You can use a pen or pencil and wrap the wick around it. We used a wick holder for this activity, and then it's ready to dry. You may place this in the refrigerator to speed along the process of drying. Once the drying is fully complete, you need to trim your wick. You want to leave about 1 inch of the wick above the surface of your candle. It should look like this. And that is the do-it-yourself candle tutorial. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you.